Hi students, welcome back to this video classes. So in the previous video, we completed exercise 2.1. So in that exercise, we learned how to solve a linear equation in one variable by transposing the terms one side to another side. I hope you understood. So in this video, I am going to explain some situational problems, means some word problems by using these linear equations in one variable. Before that, first we discuss what are the steps involved in the type of problems. Let us see. So applications of equations in solving word problems means situational problems. That means in day-to-day life situations, sometimes we make some linear equations on one variable. So in that situations, what are the steps that we follow to solve that situation or to solve that word problem? See, you have already learned the method and steps involved in solving a word problem. That means in 7th class already you learned simple equations. In that simple equations already we solve some word problems. So let us recall them, and here you remember simple equations are nothing but linear equations in two variables, both are the same. Okay, so what are the steps we follow to solve a simple equation? Same steps here we follow. Okay, so first we recall the steps. First step, read the problem carefully and note down what is given, what is required. That is the most important. Read the problem carefully and note down what is given, what is required. Okay, and select a letter, say X or Y or Z, represent the unknown quantity asked for. Generally, what we required in that situational problems, that quantity, that value we are taken as either X, Y or Z. It's completely depend on situation, but generally, okay, what we required from the problem, that quantity we are taken as any one variable, either X or Y or Z. We can represent that unknown quantity with any one of the letter, and then represent the word statements of the problem in the symbolic language step by step. This is the most important. Represent the word statements of the problems in the symbolic language step by step. So when you complete this step, 90% problem is solved. So what is this? Represent the words. So in that word problem, the total information is in words. Okay, now you convert that statement, you convert that words in mathematical statement. Means by using the symbols and by using the relations, you completely change that word statement to symbolic language. That means in mathematical statement. That means here in this step we make a linear equation in one variable by using this unknown quantity. So when you are complete this third step, 90% problem is solved. Okay, once the third step is over, then look for quantities which are equal as per conditions given and form an equation. Look for quantities which are equal as per conditions. So in the word problem, you have some conditions, and that conditions are equal to some quantity. So in the third step, you prepare a statement in symbolic language now. So you equal the statement to the given statement. Okay, and you form an equation. Solve the equation obtained in step 4. So in step 4, we make one equation relevant to the given word problem. Okay, you solve that equation and check the result for making sure that your answer is satisfies the requirements of the problem. So in the given problem we have some conditions, some requirements, and at the last, that means in the sixth step, you verify the answer is satisfies the all conditions, all requirements of the problem or not. Okay, so let us see some examples. So here I am not explaining examples separately. Already we have one exercise based on this concept. So that's why I solve the problems in exercise 2.2. So everyone open your textbooks and your running notes and write this solution in your running notes. Okay, and see the first question. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, so this is the situation, this is the word problem. Now you solve this word problem by using linear equations in one variable. Okay, read the question carefully. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So here what is the given and what we required? This total statement is the given statement. You subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. That is the given statement. Okay, and what we require? What is the number? That means you find a number. Let us take that number as x or y or z. Generally we prefer x. Let the number be x. Okay, then observe the condition. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, here what is the number? We are taken it as x. That means if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, so how to present it? How to present the one quantity subtraction from another quantity? By using minus symbol. Okay, you subtract 1 by 2 from x. That means how to present it? X minus 1 by 2. You have subtract 1 by 2 from x. So x minus 1 by 2. And multiply the result. Here what is the result? After completing your subtraction. After complete your subtraction, what is your result? Here the result is x minus 1 by 2, and if you multiply this result by 1 by 2, means into 1 by 2, then you get 1 by 8. That means this 1 by 8 is the answer. But here what is your answer? 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So it is equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because these two are presents the same kind and same quantities. Same kind of quantities. Why? Because equal to left side what you have, we are get from the x, and equal to right side what you have, it is get from the given. Okay, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number x and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. Okay, that means when you complete this total process, the result is 1 by 2. We don't know that number, so that number we are taken as x and apply the whole process to this x. I got this answer, 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. But from the given, what is the original answer? 1 by 8. So it is equal to 1 by 8. Now the total situation is completely converted into a symbolic notation. Means it completely changes to a linear equation in one variable. Now you solve this equation to find the x value. Okay, first transpose this 1 by 2 to right side. So 1 by 2, it is p by q form. So when you transpose it to right side, it multiplies the right side part and you write the reciprocal of this 1 by 2. So that implies x minus 1 by 2 is equal to, already right side you have 1 by 8. So when you transpose this 1 by 2 to right side, it multiply the right side part and you write the reciprocal. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1, and simplify this. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, 8, 4 times. So 1 into 1, 4. Sorry, 1 into 1, 1 by 4 into 1, 4. So now transpose this minus 1 by 2 to right side. So x is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. It is a term, it is not a factor. Minus 1 by 2 is a term. Okay, so when you transpose it to right side, minus 1 by 2 changes to plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So that implies x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Find the LCM. LCM is 4 and the numerator is 1 plus 2. So x is equal to 3 by 4. That means, hence, the number is 3 by 4. So in case if you have doubt, yes, apply the complete process to this 3 by 4, you get 1 by 8 or not. Verification. So as per the given question, first what we do, you subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Here the number is 3 by 2. So subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here the LCM is 4. And the numerator is 3 minus 2. It is equal to 1 by 4. And multiply the result. Here what is the result? 1 by 4 is the result. And multiply the result by 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 8. So get 1 by 8 now? Yeah. So the problem is solved. Okay. In the same way, we solve the remaining problems in exercise 2.2. Let's come to the second one. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Okay, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Okay, so when you solve a word problem, reading is the most important quality. Okay, and you can read that question in a rhythmic manner. Okay, otherwise you can't understand the question. Okay, so again I am reading that question. Observe carefully. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Okay, so first identify what are the given from this word problem. So perimeter of a rectangular pool is given. It's 154 meters and its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? That means in the two dimensions of the rectangle, length and breadth are completely depend on one another. So which quantity is depend on which one? Length is depend on breadth. Observe the statement carefully. Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So out of these two quantity, which quantity we can take in as x? Yeah. So as per this statement, if you are take breadth as x, then you can easily solve it. So let breadth be x meters, therefore length is, if the breadth is x meters, then its length is length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Okay, here the breadth is x meters. Okay, so therefore length is 2 meters more than twice. Twice means 2 times. So what is the breadth? X meters. It's 2 times means 2x meters and 2 meters more. More means plus 2. So the length is 2x plus 2 meters. Okay, so therefore perimeter. So generally, what is the generalized formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Yeah, that is 2 into L plus B. This is the generalized formula. Okay, now find the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. So the length of the swimming pool is 2x plus 2 meters and its breadth is x meters. So substitute these two in this generalized formula. 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x, length plus breadth. So it is equal to 2 into 2x plus 2x, 3x plus 2. So it is equal to 6x plus 4. This is the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. But according to the given question, the perimeter is, according to the given question, the perimeter is 154 meters. Okay, so observe these two are presents the same quantities or not? Yeah, these two are presents the same quantity. This is also perimeter of a swimming pool and this is also perimeter of swimming pool. Okay, but this one we got from these two dimensions, breadth is x meters and length is 2x plus 2 meters, but this 154 we get it from the given. Okay, so these two are present the same quantities, so both are equal. So therefore 6x plus 4 is equal to 154. Now solve this equation. First transpose this 4 to right side. So 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 6. So x is equal to 150 by 6, value is 25. So what is x? What is x? Breadth is x. So therefore breadth is equal to 25 meters and length is equal to 2 into 25 plus 2. Why? Because the length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. The breadth is 25 meters. Its twice means into 2 and 2 meters more means plus 2. So that value is 2 into 25, 50 plus 2. It is equal to 52 meters. So this is the second one. Let's stop here. The remaining sums we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.